Hey traders, John Howell here, fisherjohnhowell.com. In this video, we're going to have a bit of a stock update, so let's get into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's have a look at AMTD. AMTD. Now, I really like this one because you can see here on the overall long-term daily chart that we actually had this nice up move and continue to go up, continue to go up. And you can see here, if I draw this trend line through here, you can see that this whole point through here, the market definitely had a lot of resistance level through there, and it started to really go sideways and then it got thumped down. Now, the reason why I like that is because now it's showing some overall true direction. If I bring this bottom chart up to a weekly chart, and I do some long-term trend lines through there. As you can see, if I bring it back to the daily chart now, this here is a long-term weekly trend line. Okay, if you go back to weekly chart, this is a weekly chart. That's a long-term weekly trend line. And so as you can see, by looking at that, it's clearly broken that, and now we're starting to shift down. Now, here's the thing that I see here on AMTD. Okay, Ameritrade. So looking on AMTD, we can see that we actually have resistance up here. We can see that we actually had a level of support down through here as well too. But right now, as we speak, are we building some sort of bear flag formation? Okay, are we actually building that? Let's actually delete that off the screen. Are we building a bear flag formation where we actually have this as the, where we have, let's just go edit here. Obviously have that as the flagpole. Let's create another parallel trend line. You can, as you can see here, right? Do we actually have? Is this a bear flag formation where you got that's the flag through there, and obviously you could create another one, and you got that through there. Now it doesn't look like much, but look down here, right? Are we starting to create a little bear flag? Because if we are, then then we're getting ready for a bit more downside to come. We also can see here that we actually had a whole bunch of level of resistance and support through there. That's where it's at right now. We had a big up day last night, and we had a big volume spike. So to me, looking at this, I wouldn't be too surprised if we did see I wouldn't be too surprised if we did see some follow through to the high side. Looking on the hourly chart, you can actually see how it actually just gapped up in the morning and then slowly ran up to the high side. So that's what I do see on Ameritrade, guys. I do see that one. It's not one of my best setups, but it is a setup that I'm looking at taking.